Okay, fraction review and order of operations. So first, let's go ahead and take all of these word problems and make sure we can write them as math problems. First one says, how many pieces of string, each 1/5 of a meter long, can be cut from a string that's 3 meters long? Okay, we're not going to model this. Someone tell me, please, what kind of problem this would be, Isha? It's a division problem. Can you tell me what we would be dividing? What's the division problem, Madison?
Divided by 1/5.
3 wholes divided by pieces of 1/5. Okay, so we're being asked to find how many 1/5 are in 3 wholes. Rewrite this as multiplication, Robin.
You would do 3 over 1, and then you would do times 5 over 1.
Good. Multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 times 3 kids is 15 little strings or pieces. Okay? We're not going to write a sentence just to save some time. Good. So we have 3 wholes divided by groups of 1/5. This one says how many bricks weighing 1/4 of a pound each will have a total weight of 3 pounds. Who can give me the division problem? Richard.
3 divided by 1/4.
3 whole pounds divided by 1/4. How many 1/4 are in 3? Okay, rewrite it with reciprocal. Clayton.
3 over 1 times 4 over 1.
Which equals
12.
12. Okay, 12 what? 12 pounds or 12 bricks? 12 bricks. Very good. How many 1/6 are in 3? Who can give me the problem, please? Maya. 3 wholes divided by 1/6. Rewrite it, Hannah. Perfect. 3 over 1 times 6 over 1, kids, is 18. Holly had 2 kilograms of beef. She used 4/5 of all of it to make stew. How many kilograms of beef did she have left? Okay. This one's a little bit different. Okay, sorry, it says had she left. What do we have to do, Ryan?
Well, you have a subtraction problem.
Yeah, right? So, how much of her beef is left? Okay, so let's actually model this. Let's say our whole is 2 kilograms, right? How much of all of this is gone? 4 what, Akash? 4/5 is gone. So we're left with 1/5. We want to know how many kilograms this is. So are we going to be dividing here or multiplying? Raise your hand and think divide. Raise your hand and think multiply. All right, I think multiply. Adam, what are we going to multiply?
2 times 4/5.
That would tell us how much is gone.
2 times 1/5.
2 over 1, 2 kilograms, all of the beef that she had, times what's left. You could do 2 times 4/5 and then subtract it if you wanted. But we want to know what 1/5 is of 2 kilograms in kilograms. And that would be what? 2/5. Now some of you were like, oh, this is a division problem. This is a division. Oh, I didn't make this sign. This is a division problem. This is okay. All right. We're being asked to find how many 4/5 are in 2 kilograms, right? Let's see if we can do this here. 2. You know what? Okay. Let's look at this last one. How many 1/6 are there in 2/3? How many 1/6 are there in 2/3? Now be careful here. Be careful. Who can tell me the division problem in the right order? Maya? How do you know it's 2/3 divided by 1/6 and not 1/6 divided by 2/3? That will not give you the same answer. Hannah? We're trying to find how many 1/6 go in 2/3? So, yeah, so 2/3 is what we're looking for as our whole. Rewrite this as multiplication, please, Daniel.
Give me 2/3 times 6/1.
Good, and then what should we do, Emma?
You should simplify
3 becomes,
1 and
6 becomes
2, and then you would get 4.
4. There are 4 1/6 in 2/3. Interesting. How many 1/6 are in 1/3? 2. How many 1/6 are in 2/3? 4. Very good. Okay, you and your table mate, I want you to do 3 problems. I want you to do this problem, and this problem. Okay, now wait. For adding and subtracting, what do we need to remember? Adding and subtracting, Ryan.
You have to get the denominator to be the same.
Common denominators, and I don't want 48. I want the least common denominator. Go. Here we go. 10 over 21 times 18 35th. Someone tell me what you did first, please, Akash. 2 and 7. Good. Somebody else. What did you simplify the other side? Hannah.
7.
Good. 6 times 2, everybody. 7 times 7. And that is in lowest terms. That's the best I can do here. Okay, 5 6 plus 5 8. Least common denominator, Christian. 24. So who can tell me 5 6 equals how many 24s, Ryan?
20.
20 24s plus 5 8s, which is what, Daniel?
11 24.
Well, no. 5 8s? 15 24s. Well, I know how you got it. 20 plus 15, kids, is 35 24s, which gives us 1 whole with the remainder of. Daniel, repeat what you just said. What did you say? 11 24s. That's how you got that. Thinking that I just wrote it in the wrong spots. Okay? Working straight down, no equal signs. Nice and neat. Least common denominators are always nice because we're working with smaller numbers. Okay? 7 9ths minus 3 4ths. Someone give me my least common denominator, please, Maya. 36. Okay, 7 9ths is how many 36? Ryan. 28. Adam, 3 4ths is how many 36? Emma. 27. 28 minus 27, kids, is 136. Okay, 136. Alright, very good. Now, I'm going to get rid of my ink because I want to talk about the other 2 problems. Alright, let's look at 4/5 divided by 2/3 times 8/15. Sorry, divided by 8/15. When we see division, and I want you to write this down, we change it to what? Of the reciprocal. So right above here, I'm interestingly putting the multiplication sign right above the fraction that I need to change to the reciprocal. So let's just look at the first 2. Someone rewrite the first, just this part with multiplication. Robin.
4/5 times
3 over 2. Okay, I'm going to continue. When I see another division, it means I need to do it again. Times reciprocal on top. So I'm going to multiply 4/5 times 3 over 2 times what, kids? 15 over 8. Now, I've changed everything to multiplication. What can I do now? Madison.
multiply 4/5 by 3 over 2.
I can actually take care of this all together. And once we multiply, you guys, we can go ahead and simplify, right? Give me something to simplify, right, Ryan?
4 and 2.
4 and 2 becomes
1.
1 and 2. Give me something else to simplify. Clayton.
5 and 15.
Good. You can skip over. 5 becomes
1.
15 becomes
3.
there's something else to simplify here. Isha. 2 becomes 1 and 8 becomes 4. There's nothing else I can simplify here.
That's as simple as.
It's as simple as it goes. You can only simplify numerators to denominators.
Oh,
Because remember, this 3, so really we have, let me just trace these. 1 times 3 times 3. We're being asked to multiply them, so we can't simplify them. 1 times 4. Okay? So, 1 times 3, everybody is? 1 times 4. 9/4 is? Very good. Okay, so you want to simplify as much as possible so you work with smaller numbers. Okay? Alright, let's look at this last one here. I have 1 division and 1 multiplication. What do you think I'm going to do first? Akash. Change any division into multiplication. So multiply the reciprocal. So who can tell me my next whole line? Akash, go ahead.
1/2 times 4/3.
Times
Oh, times
5/9. It's already multiplication, so we leave it alone. It's already multiplication, so we leave it alone. Now, let's pause there for 1 second. Don't write this down. Some kids today said, Mrs. McKay, look, 3 and 9, you can simplify. Why is it not a good idea to simplify in the original problem? Christian. Yeah, that 3 actually is in the denominator. And what's the order of operations? What do we have to do, Maya? We have to go what? Left to right. So we have to start here and change it to multiplication. And then you'll notice the 3 and the 9 it's not going to work. Alright? So hopefully that makes sense. Now, who can tell me something to simplify here in my multiplication, Richard?
Simplify the 2 and the 4.
2 becomes?
1,
4 becomes?
2.
Alright, and nothing else I can simplify. 1 times 2 times 5, kids, is?
10.
1 times 3 times 9.
27.
Final answer, 10/27.
Okay.